Okay, welcome. OSINT starter, right? If you are just starting, then there are a bunch of resources and tools I'll share here, right? I'll talk about these tabs later on after I finish my presentation. Let's go to presentation. OSINT starter, resource and tools, right? The first one is a search, right? Search engines, right? Or the websites. The first one you can use is google.com, right? We can get a lot of information from Google, right? If you are skilled in connecting dots, right, then you can, if you can do a fine Google search, then google.com is the first one. The next one is sodan.io, right? I'll show these websites and these resources later on after this presentation. Archives, archive.org site, right, and more others, right, about the search, right, about the videos, about the images, about the documents, something like that, right. And next one is email harvesting, right. There is a GitHub tool, the harvester, right, in GitHub. You are getting a link here, right. The next one is Prawl, and the next one is Have I Been Pwned, right, and more others, right. I'll explain about this in a moment. And next one is DNS or subdomain enumeration, right. There is the tool sublister. You are seeing the GitHub link here. DNS dumplister. You are seeing the website. Subdomain finder, OSINT.sh, right. And another word is Intel Techniques, and there are bunch of tools here in this site. Also, I'll show you OSINT framework, right. Now let's move to those tabs, these tools, right. The first one was Google, right. You can search anything here. You can get the results, right, something like that. Nothing more to talk about this right now. I'm just sharing the resources and the tools. Next one is Sodan, right. You might be familiar with it, right. Search engine for Internet of Everything. Sodan is the world's first search engine for internet connected devices. Discover how internet intelligence can help you make better decisions, right. There is a free version, right, and also there is pricing, right. You can see here the pricing. Internet archives, right, Wayback Machine. You are seeing here, enter the URL or the keywords. For example, you came across a site, right. For example, let's see one website here. You are seeing here this website, right. So this is right now, this is the case with this website. Now if you want to go back, right, see the back date of the website, the contents, right, the contents that might be deleted, or the layout, something like that. If you want to find out that, then you can do it from this one, archive.org. And when you search it, right, then you'll get the result. You'll get the date here to see, right. You are seeing here no any activities before this 2016 17, right. You are seeing from 2018 19 20 21 22, right. So let's go to 2019, and you'll get the result here, and we'll choose the date. You are seeing here May 18 2019, and you are seeing here 11:59:24. There is one snapshot. Just click that, and let's check the layout, right. Let's check the layout or the content, right, and it matches with this one or not, this real time or not, right. So okay, it is here. Now you are seeing here this site was about community, right. People registers, creates content, right, and you are seeing the difference, right. This was the site layout in 2019, right. And if there are any deleted content, right, in this site, then you'll find it here. So in this way you can use archive.org. And the next one was the harvester, right. You can see here description. Powerful tool to design to be used during the reconnaissance stage of a red team assessment or penetration test. The tool gathers names, emails, IPs, subdomains, URLs by using multiple public resources that include, right. So you can see the tutorial video, the guide PDF on this, how to use, right, and you can use it, right. So use it. And the next one is Prawl, right. You can see here the Prawl is an email harvesting tool that scraps Yahoo for LinkedIn profiles associated to the user's search terms and identifies job titles. It also identifies current job listings for the specified organization, right. Have I been pwned? You will pass the phone or the email here, and it will give you a result that in some breach, right, of some website, your email is leaked or not. You can find out from have I been pawned, right? If you are doing OSINT related to some pawn or some email, then you can find the details from here, where those emails were used, right, in which site, something like that. It will give you more information about the particular person or the particular email that is being sourced for, right? So the next one is lister, sublister. Python tool designed to enumerate subdomains of the website using OSINT, right? You can see the details here, right? It's about the enumerating the subdomains. And DNS dumpster, DNS recon, research, find and look up DNS records, right? Just pass the same website, wordkey.com, search research it, and you will see here hosting IP block owners. You are seeing DNS servers, right? Text records, MX records. You are seeing here the most details, right? Subdomain finder, let's pass the bootkey.com and check now. Let's see the subdomains. Now you see here store.bootkey, how to bootkey, mail.bootkey, logshow.bootkey, right? resource.bootkey. So in this way you can get a lot of information easily, right? Intel Techniques, best thing here, you go to this site inteltechnics.com and you go to tools, right? And you will get here tools here, right? See search engines, click that and pass the search term here, populate all. It will populate all these, right? Also here is store required, right? All these, and you can just click these buttons and search it, right? For example, let's pass OSINT, populate all. Now you can click here, it will search and give you result, and Bing news, right? And Bing, something like that, anything you want to watch, right? Wayback Machine, it will pass to webarchive.org. We just saw that, right? So in this way, there are a lot other tools you can see here: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, community. There are a bunch of tools you can use, you can try out, right? Next one is OSINT framework, the best one. Username, just click it, right? Username source engines, you can click it. Here is the name check, right? Name CSK. I'll just click this one and you will be redirected to the site, right? Pass the username here and search it, right? Also there is Noem, another site that is, right? You can see here search over 500 popular social network, over 150 domain names, right? Also here is email address, domain name, IP address, images, videos, and docs, social networks, right? Just you can do that, right? So this was about OSINT starter, some resources and some tools. There are a bunch of tools, bunch of resources, and I am sharing about the OSINT. You can check out my previous videos also. I will create a bunch of OSINT videos in coming days. Okay, stay tuned. Thank you very much for watching.